time is it and what time is it? Let me tell you now, it is the DW World Equity Times. From now onwards, every Monday, 9 a.m., 10 minutes is all you need to spend with us. And on every Monday morning, we're going to pick a powerful stock, and it may come from Singapore markets, Malaysia markets, Hong Kong markets, China markets, US or UK markets. And we call this the OTOP 1910. One target, one purpose, Monday, 9 a.m. and 10 minutes. Be forewarned, we are not recommending any stocks, but it could be a very powerful stocks or very potential commodity counter for that particular week. So stay tuned, and what you're going to do next is every Monday, 9 a.m. just log on and watch us. Stay tuned and be our friend. I'll be right back. Hi there everybody, welcome back to the OTOP6. Alright, and this OTOP stands for One Target, One Purpose, and this is episode 6 for the week of 7th September year 2020. And today our topic is, what are you going to trade when the Dow Jones falls? Alright, as you can see here on the screen, alright, Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq have fallen just before the weekend, alright, and we have a news here saying that stock falls in wild session to close out big losing week for tech. Alright, basically we are looking at all the tech stocks going into correction, which likely will continue on this coming week, starting from 7th September 2020. So this week itself, I've got two very important messages for you, and you guys just got to watch until the end of this OTOP Series 6, which will take you not more than 10 minutes. Alright, the first message, of course, well, we are still going to talk about what is the best instrument that you can pick this week amid the falling indexes. And of course, the second message is going to be a secret, and you will get it right at the end of this podcast. Anyway, welcome back to the DW World OTOP Series 6. Alright, for the date 7th September year 2020. And my question is, are you ready? If you are ready, stay tuned and we'll come back quickly. Alright, this week we are taking a look, okay, and we want all of you to pay attention to this stock that is listed in NYSE in US, New York. Alright, and the counter's name is First Horizon National. Let's quickly take a look at what company is this. Alright, right here. First Horizon National Corporation operates as a bank holding company for First Horizon Bank that provides various financial services. Well, basically this is not a very big bank, and the market cap is about $5.5 billion. And why we are actually looking at this counter, especially just for this week, and you're going to get all the answers if you stay with us for the next couple of minutes. Well, as we scroll down, okay, first of all, we are looking at the valuation is slightly alright in line with the market price here, and PE ratio is about 10.7 compared to the US bank industry, which is 9.9. Well, not too much of a big hoo-ha here. And future growth is estimated as 33.3%, consider a high growth stocks. And we look at the financial health here, all right. The short-term asset is $6.87 billion, which is, well, not able to cover the short-term liabilities, which we are talking about the 1-year liability. But the long-term asset at $41 billion is way above and exceed the liabilities of 2.9%. So this is a very healthy company. And once again, as we roll down here, all right, we are looking at all the data to be very healthy, as you can take a look here. All right, the level of bad loan, especially here, all right, on the First Horizon National Bank has an appropriate level of bad loan only at 0.7%. And last but not least, before we look at the technical chart, this is something very interesting. Dividend is pretty high at 6.02%, and the ex-date is this coming Thursday, which is going to fall on the 10th of September, year 2020, which means if you are able to get into the market to hold the shares of this company, FHN, all right, across 10 September, you will be entitled the dividend of 6.02%. And this is something very wonderful. All right, let's save time and take a look at the chart here. Well, I believe I don't have to explain a lot. All right, this is the day chart on the same stock counter FHN that we are talking. All right, Friday there was a little bit of up move, and what we are foreseeing is that this week there is a very high chance of seeing the market going higher. All right, well, we can see here is the support line. Then let's draw again a channel line like this. All right, but you could easily see where the bottom is and where the top could be this week if the market rises. All right, this is on a day chart. The EMA 4 and 20 averages have been going sideways, and very firmly they are beginning to turn up, and the momentum is almost near to zero, and that means it has got a lot of strength and momentum to kick the price higher in coming week, starting from 7 September year 2020. All right, from the day chart, let's take a look into the 4-hour chart. And what can you see here? Well, basically, if you ask me, I think the momentum here has turned into positive together with the crossing up of the EMA, which stands for exponential moving average 4 days and 20 days, right, on Friday. So this week there is a big opportunity in these stocks that it may actually go up anywhere up to $11 or up to $11.50 in just a few couple of days time. So this is the OTOP6 this week that we are going to talk and let you guys put in your observation on this stock in US called FHN, and it stands for First Horizon National Corporation. And earlier on I will talk about I did talk about, I'm going to give you guys a second message this week that you may have interest to take a look at a certain market. All right, this is not extra bonus, but just a reminder. Well, the reason why we are looking at US major stock indexes coming down on correction, and you would have also noticed that on Friday, gold prices also have started to be weakening, and WTI crude prices also come down. And that's exactly caused by the US dollar index on a slight recovery. So which means in this next couple of weeks, 1 or 2 or 3 weeks, we are going to see US dollar on a gradual recovery. So that means commodity prices like gold and oil prices could be trading on the softening side. So what is exactly the second message that we want to send across and share with you? My suggestion is this: go back to the OTOP Series 1, which was posted on the 3rd of August this year, year 2020, and you will get exactly what I mean. Don't forget OTOP 1. Go back, revise, and look through the clip, all right, and follow that clue, all right, and that hint on the market. And I truly believe this week is a good week for all of you and me as well. OTOP6, welcome all of you to come back, and we hope you like what we just presented to you. All right, write some positive comments, and of course, don't forget to like us and subscribe to us. Next week, come back, and that's when OTOP7 will share more information with you. Stand by here. Bye bye.